Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the Graffiti effects on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legends account, and if you already log in, you can click the preparation menu below here, and then you can go to effects. Go to effects, and then over here you can scroll down a bit and then click the Graffiti, and over here you can choose the Graffiti that you want to set. For example, first you need to click the Graffiti and then click the plus sign over here, and then you will have to set what hero that you want to the Graffiti is settings. Okay, so here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.